Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about the cacas ik, also known as mal aire, mal viento, bad breeze. Our Maya Masehual grandparents, our Yucatec Maya grandparents in Belize, they believe that the wind, that the air has positive characteristics, but also negative. In its negative form, it is known as cacas ik in the Maya language. In Spanish, it is known as mal aire or mal viento, which can cause sickness and also death. When our Maya tatitos saw that their milpa was not prospering, they saw that the crops were not growing and their crops were dying for no reason, or the animals in their farms, like chickens, were mysteriously dying, they attribute this to the cacas ik. Mal aire can also affect people. When people get it, normally they go to a man, who is a Maya priest, also known as curandero, to help them. There is also a ritual known as Masehualoon. This ritual is done to secure the prosperity of the land. So we have heard our Maya grandparents say, ese terreno está curado, or voy a curar mi terreno. They are talking about the Masehualoon. When our grandparents went to the bush, they always asked permission and protection to the Nojoch tat. The Nojoch tat is also known as Tataduende or Yum Balam, and they asked the Nojoch tat protection from the cacas ik. Mal aire is also found in the bush. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this little video. Continue to following us. Hach Yum Boutique.